Pick up this Magnesium Pearl 2005 Chrysler Pacifica, available today at her Trick of Pocomoke Ford Chrysler Dodge Jeep. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 36,699 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer at 888-703-7028 and get behind the wheel today.